So my company, the Humane Society, is designed to help animals in need and save those who are in danger. I guess you can say the foundation. The logo size, according to Lester, is significant to use icons that would fit smaller icon design. If you have an icon design with various lines, shapes, and visual elements, it will not transfer easily to a smaller size and will not be easily recognized. So this doesn't have many, that line at the top isn't a part of the icon, it's just a part of the design of the slide, but it does transfer easily. Logos color scheme. According to the marketing specialists Frank Schaub and Kimberly Kaufman at 6 Degrees, the color blue is interpreted by westernized culture and to characterize my logo, the color blue represents, to characterize my logo, the color blue represents trust, loyalty, and business. Additionally, the color blue represents India's characters such as strength, truth, bravery, and determination. Logo symbolism. According to Maggie McNabb, symbols are processed intuitively and immediately, while a word must be understood first in its particular language and then be related to a visual, and words expanded into sentences must also be strung together in sequence for meaning. As you analyze the logos above, you can see the animal represents the company. The hands holding will also represent the characteristics behind the Humane Society. The globe separates the logos by identifying the India's logo. Logo iconic meaning. The meaning behind my logo is showing strength, unity, and togetherness. Further, the company is about saving animals in need with the help of others. Moving on. The two logos above represents the Humane Society. When using visual communication, you can see the elephant represents strength, the hands represent togetherness, and the light represents hope. Together they are similar, but to the American Indian cultures they are different. The American and Indian both share the similar color symbolism. For both, the color blue represents trust, loyalty. However, India represents strength from the color blue, and America does not. The India logo also has a globe that is being held up with the trunk of the elephant. This makes the viewers identify the globalized logo. The marketing organization should consider the visual elements used above because of the communication that will affect the viewers. For example, the elephant will represent an animal but also strength. The hands will represent unity but also trust. And the light represents hope and happiness. That is it for this slide. And you will see my references, and then I'll also drop the video link. Thank you for listening, and see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.